Today, we're getting Detroit-style pizza. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here in my kitchen because it's lunchtime, and I just learned, because my boy Jay Crispy emailed me, that national pizza chain Pizza Hut is offering Detroit-style pizza. Now, I'm not sure if this is a pilot or an experiment, but if they're offering it, we are going to try it because this could be maybe the easiest way or the most universal way of getting a Detroit-style pizza, because it is the best type of pizza. It's not even a claim or a contention. It's just a fact. So YouTube can fact check that one. But listen, let's go on the website and see if we can get a Detroit-style pizza here in the Chicago area. All right, so I'm on the Pizza Hut website right here, and the first problem with it is if I go to pizzas and scroll through here, there is nothing that says Detroit-style pizza. So it's kind of confusing because I was like, is it not available in my area? So what you have to do is you have to go up here to the corner and hit deals. And now if you come back down here, look over here, new Detroit-style pizza starting at $11. Now that's actually cool because you can get these different types, but it's uncool because it kind of makes me feel like this is just a big experiment and they're not going to offer this all the time. The double pepperoni, yeah, that's what we're getting, baby. And that's all I'm going to get. So I'm going to order that, and then we'll go pick it up and try it out. All right, now that I've got this little bad boy on order, I am just going to go out into the freezing cold here and see if we can pick up this bad boy and try it out and see if it's truly Detroit-style pizza. All right, guys, I am rolling up on my local Pizza Hut here, and one of the things that I was thinking about is that I really like Little Caesars. They're a Detroit pizza company, and they have their pan pizza, pan, and that is actually kind of Detroit style. It's not really accurate to, really authentic Detroit style pizza, but it's a pretty good facsimile at a great price. So it has tended to give me that Detroit style pizza experience for only like $8 or something like that. But what kind of confuses me is that Pizza Hut is offering a Detroit style pizza, and as far as I know, Pizza Hut has no affiliation with Detroit at all. It's kind of funny because Domino's started in Detroit, their headquarters is in Detroit. That is a Detroit pizza company, and yet as far as I know, they don't offer a Detroit style pizza, which is kind of funny. So it's a little funny to me that Pizza Hut may have beat Domino's, the Detroit pizza company, to the Detroit style pizza game, but all's fair in love and war, and so I am pretty excited about trying this out. So let's get in there. All right, guys, so got it. It's that little pan-sized pizza box that's giving me a lot of hope. Pretty cool. Man, I can smell it. It's steaming. Let's get home and try this sucker out. All right, made it home. One of the most painful things is driving with the smell of Detroit-style pizza. Filling your car for 10 minutes, and you can't do anything about it until you get home. This has been sealed, only to be opened by me. It's kind of an interesting box here, Detroit-style pizza. Crispy, cheesy edges. So basically, Detroit-style pizza, if you don't know, is basically baked in a pan. The rumor, the legend is that guys would steal pans from automakers and then bake pizza in them, and that's kind of gives it this crispy crust here. So let's take a first look at this bad boy. Ooh, I'll tell you what, this looks like Detroit-style pizza. So we do have that crispy edge. It's kind of like a focaccia dough. I mean, it's probably 3/4 of an inch thick. That's kind of something that people love, hate. I understand that this cheese is not necessarily super authentic. So kind of traditional Detroit style pizza will have Wisconsin brick cheese, which tends to be kind of like cheese curds, kind of is a little rubbery, kind of chunky. And I'm not sure that they use that. I'm not sure that they don't, but that's kind of what I've heard. The other thing that you'll notice here, which makes this kind of unique, is that you're usually sauce and cheese, but then they usually put another helping of sauce on here and actually like drizzle melted butter and things like that. Also, this one is the double pepperoni, and the thing that's unique about Detroit-style pizza is that they use these pepperonis that are really thick, and they kind of shrivel up like little bowls. We also have the regular pepperoni on there too, because this is the double pepperoni one. But these little bowl-shaped pepperonis are pretty authentic. And so what I love about this is they have actually done the Detroit-style thing and put the sauce on top of the cheese. So, if you're familiar with real Detroit style pizza, Buddy's Pizza, those type of things, you can expect this. Now, how does this little bad boy taste? Let's give her a whirl. This is research, and I do it for you guys, despite how little I want to do it myself. You can see they're thick and creamy. Oh, man. Yes! Yes! Yes, yes, yes. I mean, there are Detroit-style pizza places. Can't even talk. I gotta eat this sucker. Just Pizza, they're just not as prolific as a place like Pizza Hut or Domino's or Papa John's, right? There are national chains out there, and most of them do not do a Detroit-style pizza. So I am loving the idea that I can actually get it. Now, does it have all the constituents of authentic Detroit-style pizza? I don't know. It probably doesn't have the Wisconsin brick cheese, but I will tell you, the cheese is very good. The pepperoni throws me back to my childhood. It's kind of like that scene in Ratatouille where he eats the ratatouille and immediately flashes back to his childhood. This is great. It's light, it's crispy, it's buttery. It's so moist on top with that sauce drizzled on there. Oh, I feel like a dog getting its belly scratched and thumping its leg. If I had a tail, I'd be wagging it right now. Good on you, Pizza Hut. Thank you for getting with the times and knowing what America wants. All of America should want this, so try it out. Like I said, I'm not sure if this is a great experiment for them. I'm not sure why it's in the deals as opposed to just under the pizza listings. I hope this becomes a staple on their menu because, I don't know, it's kind of pulling me back into the Pizza Hut fold. I apologize that you have to listen to me talk with a mouthful of pizza, but this is good. And for us that live outside of Detroit, that hunger, yearn for Detroit-style pizza, this is an awesome option. Hey, if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to Pizza Hut in the description below. But spoiler alert, it's pizzahut.com. Peter Von Panda, out. We are getting Detroit-style pizza.